Tired of crusty, corroded wheels ruining your Land Rover's look? In this video, we take a set of weathered Land Rover Discovery 300 TDI alloy wheels and give them a professional-grade restoration. We move from pitted, oxidized aluminum to a sleek, durable 2K Epoxy Matte Black finish that looks better than factory. Whether you're restoring a classic disco or just want to save money on a wheel refurb, this step-by-step guide covers the essential techniques to get a long-lasting finish. The restoration process. Preparation. We start by stripping the tires to ensure 100% coverage of the rim. Decontamination. Deep cleaning to remove decades of brake dust and road grime. Surface prep. Removing heavy oxidation and air sanding the alloys to create a perfectly smooth, keyable surface. Priming. Applying a high-quality aluminum primer to ensure the paint actually sticks and prevents future corrosion. The finish. Final coating with 2K Epoxy Matte Black. This stuff is tough as nails and provides that premium, modern look. Materials used: degreaser, wheel cleaner dual action, DA, air sander acid etch, aluminum primer, 2K epoxy paint, matte black, safety gear, mask, gloves, and ventilation.